What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to AV Moto, man. As y'all can see, got the helmet on. Finally got a GoPro, so we about to go ahead and do our first moto vlog. We're just gonna do a little simple little ride to the gas station and you know what I'm saying, see how the video come out. But you know what I'm saying, without further ado, let's get right into it. What's up, YouTube, man? We're doing our first moto vlog, man. Like I said, man, we got the GoPro. We got the GoPro 11. I don't know how to, we got a media mod for the mic right now. Eventually, I'm gonna end up getting an aftermarket mic, but for right now, we're using the built-in mic on the media mod. So, we're gonna see how it turn out. Let me know some mics for the GoPro. I'm on a budget, so let me know some budget-friendly microphones for the GoPro 11. Best gas station in the world, where you can get gas and you can get a hoagie or a quesadillo. We're gonna hop on US1. I don't know how loud it's called right now because I don't know how good the mic picking up, but hopefully it's picking up pretty good. This helmet is crazy right now, so the mic probably picking up all the wind noise right now, and then I don't got the little muffler thing on the mic. And I'm testing out the camera angle too. I don't know which angle I need to put it at, so we're gonna try this angle right here, and depending on how it come out, we're gonna see how it come out. But we're gonna work around. We're gonna get it right, man. Because usually I record with an iPhone 15 Pro Max. It get the job done, but the view is not that good, you feel me? Like, it's not wide enough, you feel me? We need something that's wide. But let's say get the job done. So all the videos that y'all seen before using the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but the GoPro, like I say, all the videos that I've seen with motovloggers and like riders, they use GoPros. So you did this first moto vlog, first time using the GoPro. Well, I ain't gonna lie, it's not the first time. I tested it out before when I first got it to make sure it was working and everything. But we seeing right now how it goes. visor. It's a little dingy. I ain't gonna lie. It's a little dingy. Pull up to the pump. We're just gonna throw a little bit of gas in because this tank don't hold. It don't hold too much. Came to the gas station one time. It probably held like, I put like $8, and the tank was over full. You feel me? Park the tank. You feel me? Can't let y'all see my passcode. You feel me? Make sure we still recording. Oh shit, yeah, we still recording. Okay, we still recording. Let's put some gas in here, man. I'm gonna put like $5. See if that do anything to the tank. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Good old 93. You feel me? I'm gonna put a little quick little $5 in here.
At Wawa, every sip is made for your moment. Whether you're in the mood for a juicy jolt, a breezy blend, or a bold buzz, we've got you covered. Any flavor, any vibe, all made fresh just for you. Sip into something special, gotta have a Wawa.
There we go, $5 on the dot. I could put a little more, but I ain't trying to fill it too much. You feel me? There we go. Here we go. Don't want no receipt. Y'all can keep the receipt, you feel me? Thank you for filling that Wawa, the best gas station there is. I ain't gonna lie, if I wasn't motovlogging, testing out real quick, I probably would've went and got in there and got me a little quesadillo. We'll make a little pit stop. We're gonna pull up on my riding buddy, my uncle. See what he doing real quick. And then my other riding buddy that ride the DRZ. I don't know if he home, but we gonna pull up to his house too probably and see if he home. Then he wanna hit a block or two. Bro, best for less. They still working on this little complex thing. You know, they putting all the new stoves in here and stuff like that. Waiting for Ross. Well, I think yeah, Ross done. We love to shop at Ross, you feel me? Ross just for less. Let me know down in the comments, man, if y'all like shopping at Ross and where y'all like shopping at, you feel me? To this motovlogging thing, man. I can't wait till I put the GoPro on my dirt. Well, I already got the GoPro mount on my dirt bike helmet. I can't wait till I put that on and get some new riding content on like the dirt bikes and stuff. Can't wait to see how the GoPro content gonna come out on that. Can't wait, man. Can't wait. Wonder what the angle looking like right now. My buddy stay right there. My buddy Nick. Well, my uncle, whatever you want to call it, buddy, uncle, stay right there. Yeah, he home real quick. See if he want to hit a corner or two. He got work in the morning, so he probably gonna go to sleep early today. So I don't know, but we just gonna pull up and see. You feel me? Don't hurt to try. Don't hurt to try. I wonder if he can hear me from right here. Nick! Yeah, I really wonder how the mic sound, how the mic picking up, you know? Green light, let's get it. Pay attention, man, pay attention. Don't follow suspected light. I don't really like heating people, but you can't follow suspected light, you feel me? Alright guys, that's the end of the moto vlog, man. I ended up getting invited to dinner, man. So, you know, we ate real quick. But, you know what I'm saying, if y'all enjoyed this moto vlog, you know what I'm saying, it's the first moto vlog, testing the GoPro, testing the angles, testing the mic. Hopefully the mic decent enough so it ain't, you know what I'm saying, too much wind. But, you know what I'm saying, as you can see, I got a little bike right there, bike life. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If y'all want to see more moto vlogs, subscribe to the channel, man. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.